We're going to test each one of these on a piece of leather. On this side, we're going to try a premium decoupage. We're going to start by grabbing a big old gloopy glop like so, and we're just going to paint it onto the leather like this. Right there. I think that's a good enough amount. This is a secret formula that Scorch Marker has created. So let's paint this onto the leather here on the back and let's see how it looks. Already I can tell you that it's more clear. I'm curious if it'll make it hard. So let's just paint that on like that. Now let's get over to our Mod Podge and test this one out. Much thicker stuff here. It's the whitest of all of them, that's for sure. Let's paint some on right here like this. We're gonna time lapse it and see how it turns out. We're gonna give it a few hours. We're gonna let it dry, then we'll come back. We're gonna do our tests. It's been a couple of hours. We're gonna start with the premium decoupage. Let's see how this looks here. Okay, as soon as I grabbed it and started moving it around, it started cracking. Let's see what it looks like on the smooth side. I can definitely see some brush marks on there. Let's see how it looks when we fold it. Ooh, it all turned white. That's not good. Let's bump over to our Mod Podge. It's definitely harder. It's definitely crispier, and when we bend it, it flakes and kind of pulls apart. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but not great. In here, I see a little bit of brush marks. Let's give it some folds. Let's see how it does. It turns very white and it gets crispy and crackly. I don't even honestly know what we're going for here, but actually, holy cow. I was expecting this to break and crack and be crispy like the other ones, but it doesn't. I don't hear anything. Wow, this all-purpose might work on flexible materials. Okay, now let's look at this. I can see that it's mostly smooth. Oh, but look at that. It works on flexible material. It doesn't crack, it doesn't break, and it doesn't make that noise. Based on this test, the winner is all-purpose 10. It looks better, it's clear, it doesn't turn white, it works on flexible material, it doesn't crack. Leather, this is the way to go. Wow, what an insightful test.